How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to our daily dog walk for small dogs on Wednesday the 13th of April. It's the morning. We've got 8 of the little blighters out. They're in good spirits. We've met quite a lot of people and quite a lot of dogs, in particular families with, like, you know, maybe mum is looking after all the kids on the street, and so we've met like one parent and like 6 kids kind of thing. So it's been interesting to watch the dogs react, and they've all been very, very good. I'll just show you. Everyone is in good spirits. So stay with us, we'll show you what we get up to today. We're in one of my favourite places. It's the bit right next to my house. We don't have Ted today, so it's unlikely he's going to go run into my front door. But you never know, one of these guys, there's a few that have been to the house, so maybe 1 or 2 of them will go and give it a ring. Stay with us. Are you two okay? Can I help you? Hi. What do you want? I'm not asking you to sit. You can do whatever you want. You are free. Go and do something. Yeah, don't jump on me though. That's not what I want. That's the only thing I don't want you to do. Elsa, what's this? Good girl. Good friend. You too, out the mud. You especially. Charlie, get out that mud. Yes, I know. We'll get going soon. I know. Who's all behind me? Both of you two. Who's coming this way? Come on, Alfie. Good boy. You're so agile, kid. You're so agile. Right, we go up to the path. It's too muddy down here. Ruby, you stopped because you were sniffing and now you've sat down. I know, let's move. Come on. See, you don't want to go. Ah, I know what the problem is. We're going the wrong way. Here's that. Okay. Talk to me, buddy. Talk to me. Good. Cleaning your paws. That's what we like. And you stay clean, Barney. Let's follow Ruby. She knows the way. Right, we're heading back to the van now. It's brilliant. The dogs are just in perfect sync with each other. I'm absolutely loving today's walk. They're so responsive, and they're just, we've met a few other dogs and I've just asked them to come away. They've moved away instantly. Oh, it's great. It's just great. Don't lag behind, Alfie. Alright guys, that's us finished up for another day. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, please remember and give it a like, comment, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on our next walk. Take care. Say bye bye, Alfie. Say bye bye.